Hello. Welcome to my channel, where we talk about design, drafting, and construction. In this tutorial, we will create columns for a steel structure in Revit while designing a cozy pizza restaurant in the Chicago area. Open the project we created in our previous session when we were making spread footings. If you don't have it, no problem. You can download it from my website for free. The link is available below the video. Go to the Structure tab and click on the column. Find the Load Family icon and click it. A dialog box will open. Scroll down to Structural Columns and click it. Then go to the Steel folder. Find W-wide flange columns and click it. The table with available sizes will open. Find the desired size, click it, and then click OK. Place the new column at the intersection of the two grids when they are lit up in blue. If the footing disappears, open the 3D view. For there, you need to adjust the levels of the column in the Properties section. Set the top level first, and then the base level. Don't forget to set up offsets from the level. Now your first column is created, so you can copy this column into other places using the copy command. You can use also the CS command, or create similar. After you are done copying the columns, don't forget to verify and change the properties of those columns. Using a similar procedure, create the remaining columns in this project. This concludes our tutorial on placing columns.